Hey guys, it's me, Big Mass Test 2/3 here, and today I have the vacmaster 5-gallon 3 peak horsepower wet dry shop vac. It has 65 cubic feet per minute of airflow, 56 inches of water lift, and 135 air watts of power. It comes with 8 accessories: a hose, an upholstery tool to slide on brush, filter, 3 extension tubes, foam wet filter, and a floor tool. The hose is 6 foot long. It has an ergonomic handle, a large on-off switch, built-in accessory and store hose holder, has a top polyethylene container, easily converts to blower, wide stance design, casters for easy transport, an 8-foot power cord. That's on all sides.
Are you fine?
Master any mess.
Well, you know, I know my socks are wet.
Here's your manual.
Did you see his icicles? Yep.
Here's your floor tool. Hi, Thorn. It's your floor tool, exactly like the other one I had. Here are 2 of the extension ones.
So it's cold through the house when you walk.
Here's another extension one. And looks like the main unit itself, which is quite heavy. And that's it. Here's your power cable. Wow, so stiff. Lift it off. Your dry filters are already in place. You can upgrade this to a pleated filter, and you can upgrade that 135 CFM of power up to 200. Here's your 6-foot long hose, your foam wet filter, your nice durable casters, your upholstery tool to slide on brush, which is quite soft, and here's your handle with your screws. So you're going to tip your bucket upside down. You're going to take your nice casters, you're going to slide it down into place. Then you're going to take your screws, And you're gonna place them into the hole. Get them started by hand. It's pretty straightforward. Now you're gonna take your drill. This is a hyper tough 3/8 hammer in half impact and cordless drill with a hyper tough charged 20-volt 1.5 hour lithium ion battery. And number 1. That's just a hammer. You're hearing. Okay. Now you're going to tip this back up. And you're going to retake your motor unit. You're going to reset this on top. You're going to take your handle. Let me lower this. You're going to place this on top. You're going to take the other 2 screws that come in the bag. You're going to put them in the top part of the handle. Then you're going to take your drill. Or screwdriver. Make sure those are tight. Well, if I can get it on the head of the screw now. Okay. No, that's in place. It is quite heavy. Not gonna say it's light. Now, you're gonna take your 3 extension tubes. You're gonna place it around the frame of the vacuum. And this guy stores up on top. This model does not come with the crevice tool, but I've got crevice tools. So, there, crevice tool. Now you're going to take your nice hose that comes with. It is tapered. It is wider at the machine end than it is at the handle end. You're just going to place it in there until it locks. And then you're going to drape it up, over, place it into its hose holders, like this, and there it is. This is your 5-gallon wet dry shop vac. Now let's plug her in. She is off. and turn it on. That's pretty powerful. So yeah, this is the vacmaster 5-gallon 3 peak horsepower shop vac. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll see a first use video on this shop vac. Bye for now.